Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new, we're glad to have you here, and to you guys, our subscribers, thank you so much for coming back and thank you for joining me. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful flower. As you can see, so all we need is 260 balloon, and you can also use this inflator or your hand pump. But if you want to know where to get this machine, please visit our Amazon storefront, and we'll put the link in the description down below. Alright, with that said, we will inflate our 260 balloon. So before you inflate this, make sure you stretch. I will inflate this now. And I'm gonna leave like this much, like about a fist and a half. Okay. You want to pinch this, now you're gonna tie this in. And then squeeze your balloon. So now I'm gonna pinch like about 2 fingers, pinch and then twist. Squeeze this again. So again, you wanna have 2 fingers, pinch and twist. Once you're done with this, you wanna fold and then pinch this and twist together. Just like that. The nozzle or the balloon end, you wanna tuck this in here. Like that. Okay, so you want to make 5 of this, 5 pairs. So pinch and then twist, squeeze, pinch and then twist. Okay, fold. Again, you want to pinch and then twist. So now you have 2. Squeeze again. Pinch and twist, squeeze, pinch and then twist, fold again. You want to pinch together and then twist. So now you have 3. Okay, squeeze, you need 2 more, pinch, twist, squeeze, pinch, and then twist. You want to fold, pinch this together, and then twist. So now you have 4. Now we're gonna make our last petal. Pinch and twist. Squeeze, pinch, and then twist. Fold. Again, pinch together and then twist. And there goes your flower. Okay, so 5 petals. So you'll put this on the side. We'll inflate this color. Again, you want to stretch your balloon. So about a fist and a half or 2 at the end. Tie this. And make it nice and soft. Okay, so you want to attach this to your flower. There. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this on the side, just like that. And then we'll fold this, squeeze, wrap this around your petal, and then make sure you squeeze, pinch, and then twist. And then I'll wrap this from the bottom. Just like that. So I'm gonna bring the camera closer so you'll be able to see it better. So as you can see, it's already like that. Okay, so I'm gonna squeeze this again. And then wrap this around your petal. You pinch here and then you twist. Wrap this around your petal. I'll put this under. So squeeze this. Wrap this under. So there it is. Okay, just like that. Again, you squeeze. So you want to make sure this is nice and soft. Wrap this here, pinch and twist. See, as you can see, this is kind of thick. You want to make sure you push the air. Okay. From the bottom, pinch here, wrap it around your petal. And then I'm gonna go here, so it's getting there. Again, you squeeze. You wanna make sure it's nice and soft. Then wrap this here again. Release some air, push the air out. Twist. Again, wrap it from the bottom part. Just get in there. So the last petal, squeeze. Wrap this here. Twist. And then wrap it from the bottom. There. Just like that. Okay. I will squeeze this, make a pinch, and then you twist. Tap this in, just like that, and I'll cut this off. And you just wrap this here. Cut the excess, and there you go. There goes your flower. So the trick is you just want to release some air so it's nice and soft, and you're gonna have that nice shape. And there you go. It's finally done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you learned something from this video today. If you do like this, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you guys in our next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.